Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install Insect Swarm game on your PC. Guys, first you just need to open up your end browser and just search for the Steam, and Steam website will appear on the top, so just open up the Steam website. And now here you just need to log into your account. Just click on the login option you are seeing on the right hand top, and here just log into your account. And guys, if you don't have an account, then just create one. And after that just click on the install Steam option you are seeing on the top, and here just download the Steam and install it into your PC. Guys, this is very simple and easy. Then just open up the Steam and just log into your account. Then just click on the top search box and just type here the game, which is the Insect Swarm. And once you search for it, now this game will appear on the top, so just click on the Insect Swarm game. Now here in this page just scroll down and you'll see the option to add to cart. Just click on the add to cart option, and now here you will see the option of continue to payment. Just click on the option of continue to payment. And here guys, just pay with your PayPal or any other card you have. And once you pay the amount, then go to the library of Steam, and on the left hand side you will find the game, which is the Insect Swarm. Just click on that and click on the install. This is how you can download and install this game. If you find this video helpful, so please like it, and I will see you guys in the next video.